Hi, this is John Henkel, Senior Product Marketing Manager with RGB Spectrum here at ISE 2015. We're here in front of the Galileo processor, one of our newer display wall processors we introduced at Infocom last year. This is a very hybrid wall processor, giving you the access to IP inputs decoded directly on the processor, as well as regular baseband video inputs. So we're showing you here the virtual Galileo. It's a demonstration more of the user interface and how simple it is to use. So with Galileo's interface, you have video windows you can move around and resize accordingly. You can drag and drop sources to the wall. So it has kind of a built-in switcher. I can drag and drop a source onto the window and it will be also switched onto the wall in corresponding way. The wall processor allows you to change the grid to whatever you want. So even though your wall may be a 2x2 grid, you can make the grid be whatever size you want. And as you drag and drop sources accordingly, they automatically scale to the given lines on the video wall. So very quickly you can make any sort of layout and save it and then recall it later on. So speaking of layouts, we have a bunch of layouts here. I can double click and the layouts recall to the entire wall, or if I want to use that group of windows, I can drag it to the wall, and now that whole group of windows is together in the same group, the same window. If I want to change something on the wall, I can even drag my own cursor, create my own window, and route something to that particular window. If you have a couple of operators working on the wall, you can do, let's say, left half, right half sort of situation. So one operator is on the left half of the wall. If I double click on that, I'm only operating on the left part of the wall, and you can see here on the side, I'm only operating on the one side. So I can resize windows, I can create new sources within just this area of the window, so you can cordon off and segregate the wall that this user is operating on. The other user can then come into the right half of the wall and change his sources as well, and move windows around and operate whatever they need to on just that one portion of the wall. So it's a very quick way, drag and drop, visual way of working, and able to accommodate multiple operators at the same time. Galileo has a very rich scripting interface, so you can script within Galileo to recall layouts. It has a scheduling program as well built into it. Its scripting language is very user-friendly. Without going into the complete user manual here, you can see that we give you full information right here on the actual scripting program. So you're able to recall layouts, open a window, route a source to it, all from within Galileo, and then schedule that to happen at a certain time, maybe the start of a shift or end of the day. You can recall a certain layout. So Galileo brings all this functionality along with some options I can't show you here on the virtual one for digital signage applications. It has a timeline editor and animation control over the windows. So Galileo, our newest display wall processor, brings a wide range of features and functionality to our wall processor line. For more information, you can find more info on the website rgb.com.